Hello, in this video we're going to talk about conjunctions and what they are. So what is a conjunction? Well, a conjunction is a joining word. It's a word that we use to join two parts of a sentence together. So we have conjunctions like and, it's one of the most popular ones, but, so, for, nor, yet, and because. So we're going to have a look at a couple of the popular ones, and really what we try to do when I'm saying to students, I want you to use more conjunctions, I want you to use some joining words, I want you to extend your writing, I want you to make your sentences longer and more detailed. So let's have a little look. So let's use and. This is an easy one. So we could say, my name is Isla and I am a teacher. So there, what we've had here are two parts of a sentence. My name is Isla and I am a teacher, and I've joined them together to make one big longer sentence with more information using and, which is our conjunction. So let's have a look at another one. Okay, let's do I like to eat out, but I don't like cooking. Where's our conjunction here? Our conjunction is but, and in this case it's used to show contrast. So it's joining two little sentences together to make a longer one, but it's giving us some contrast in our information. So we'll do one more using a conjunction that I like to encourage students to use all the time. I like reading because it helps me to relax. So where's the conjunction in this sentence? It's because. And so again, we're adding more detail. And I love because I think you can say because about almost anything you say and give a bit more detail, whatever you're saying or writing. And it's a good one to extend your sentences and add more detail. And conjunctions are really important to show sort of fluency and to show extensive writing and speaking, but it's one of the things that's often asked for specifically in entry 2, entry 3, level 1 exams. They ask you to show that you can write using conjunctions. So that's why I'm doing this video, really, just to help you when I say add conjunctions to your work, add some joining words, make your sentences longer. Then you can have a look at this and you can think, which ones can I add in? Okay, I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.